Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, June 21st. Today we want to highlight a couple of kits that we have in the store and then a new fat quarter bundle that we have for you. So the first kit that we have back in stock is Range. This is a great pattern and it's made with Kona solids. We had these kits last year, but we had pulled them because the solid inventory was really hard to get for a long time, and now we have them back in the store. So it comes with all the fabric you need to make the quilt top, and it is a beautiful pattern. Here you can see the full pattern. It's folded there on the wall, so you can see the full pattern right there. Not very difficult to make. You just have to stay a little bit organized. Next we have over here, this is called the Calm Quilt using Haven by In the Beginning Fabrics. I actually created both of these, and the Calm Quilt is a little bit more technical because you do have some points in there that you have to be careful about, but it's not difficult, and the piecing is huge, so it goes together very quickly. And we also have a handful more of the Calm Quilts here. The directions are very good on that, and you get a ton of fabric in this thing. So there's plenty of fabric to go around. I had a lot extra when I finished. So if you wanted to make some coordinating pillows or something like that to go with it, you'll have what you need. And then last but not least, last week we showed a new low volume fabric, and a couple of people on YouTube asked if we had ever thought about making low volume fat quarter bundles. So you asked and we delivered. Here's a low volume fat quarter bundle that we just created out of new fabrics here in the store. So if you are interested in grabbing one of these, you will look up, well, I think if you just look up low volume on our search, you'll be able to find this. So that's what's new for today. The Range kits back in stock, the Calm kits, we have a few left, and our low volume fat quarter bundles. Hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.